I have been using stasher bags since 2018, and in this video I want to explain why I've used them for so long and what to expect in that time frame. Now, I just got this new set because I needed a few more. While they do last a really long time, they will also break down. And I use these for everything. I throw them in the microwave, I use them for sous vide, I am constantly putting food in them for the fridge and the freezer, and apparently you can put them in the oven as well. That is one thing I have never done with them. And then when I want to wash them, I always stick them in my dishwasher. Now, to wash these in the dishwasher, I'll put these in the bottom drawer and try to spread it out as much as I can so the sprayer goes up and cleans it out. Or if I'm really motivated, I'll flip it inside out. And with regular use, they last an extremely long time. Most of my bags have lasted at least 4 years, if not longer. Now, for comparison, here is the brand new bag. Here is a 4-year-old stasher bag. They really are basically the exact same. They're still gonna work just as well. So age hasn't really changed them. And here's the same comparison, but with a brand new quart size bag and a 4-year-old quart size bag. Now, where these break for me every time is right here at this hinge point. It's just the easiest, weakest place to crack, and considering how often I will use these in the freezer and then sous vide and then microwave and then dishwasher, I am shocked at how well they've lasted. And I love that they are silicone based, as I feel so much better putting my food in these instead of plastic. Now, they do come in multiple colors, and I do have quite a few in the colors, but right now all the rest of mine are in use, as I really do use these on a daily basis. Now, getting back to my brand new set, let me tell you what I love about each of these bags and why I prefer a mix. I mostly reach for the half-gallon size, as this is the one that I can fit pretty much anything into. I particularly like this for bacon since it's so long, lots of cheeses, meats, things like that. Really great size. The sandwich size is my next go-to. Obviously, you can use it for a sandwich and taking with you on the go, but so far, I mostly use this for things in my fridge. A lot of times, it's going to be like half an avocado or cut up herbs, anything that I want to have well sealed. This works perfectly. Now, this is my first snack bag. This one is on the smaller side. I think in general, this will be better for quick snacks on the go. Really nice for that. Now, this is the 56 fluid ounce stand-up bag. It is a fantastic bag all around because, as you can see, it can just sit upright and you can fill it whatever you want. What I love this bag for currently is I like to keep our limes in the fridge with a little bit of water in the bottom, and this is a perfect bag for my limes. But it's perfect for really anything you want to store in a stasher bag, just a great bag all around. I cannot recommend stasher bags enough. I definitely invest in these when the time is right, as I cannot stand when I don't have one on hand and have to use a one-time use plastic bag, as these are so much better in my opinion. Not only for my family, since this is silicone and not plastic, but I love how reusable they are as well. I definitely recommend Stasher, and I know you'll love them too.